Here are 10 tips for plein air painting. Plan ahead and scout out your location and check out the weather before you go out. Simplify your equipment. You don't have to bring everything with you. Simple and lightweight is important. And a comfortable chair or stool, something lightweight, strong and portable, will make you more comfortable. Use a limited palette. There are many colors and values to consider, so don't complicate it with too many tube colors. Use a viewfinder to help you get a composition and to isolate the most important shapes and elements. Use a small canvas so you can work quicker. This will get you the essence of the scene without overwhelm, and be prepared to adapt to weather and lighting. They change very quickly. Paint in layers to build up nuances and light and shadow. Don't worry about perfection. Embrace the imperfections and enjoy the process and have fun. This is all about connecting with nature's beauty, and relax, have fun, enjoy the experience. Now remember to download your free guide on plein air painting from my website at malcolmdeweyfineart.com. And thank you for watching, and happy painting.